Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to open our hood, go inside the vehicle, and find the hood release right here. There's a secondary hood release under here, the safety. To lift up a little bit, reach your hand underneath, push it that way. There's no prop rod, this has got hood struts. Air filter is located in here. To remove the cover, it's got tabs that lock in over here, and then these push tabs or clips, we can unclip it. But you still can't lift it up, so we'll have to unscrew this clamp here. You can use a flat bladed screwdriver or a 10mm ratchet and socket. 10mm socket and ratchet. You don't have to fully remove this clamp, just loosen it up. And then take the tube and just kind of separate it. Be aware that your mass airflow sensor is wired in here. So we're just gonna carefully lift it up and out. Don't wanna break those wires. We'll lay it right over. Air filter sits right here in the bottom of the air box. You can lift it out. And reinstall it. It's square, so it only fits in one way, with the thick part of it going down. We'll lay the cover back on it. These 4 tabs are going to match up these 4 openings here. I have to move this hose around. A little bit of force to get those in there. Put this hose on. Make sure that's seated all the way on. Might take some maneuvering. You can lock these down and then tighten the clamp. Get it till it stops turning. It's nice and tight. Job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.